Good morning, pre-Ks, and happy Tuesday. It's all about the yellow today. Their big Zoom graduation is tonight. Let's get going on our last book of the year, and it's not very hard. Kathy tried to make it lots of fun because we have so many fun things going on this week. I'm writing summer words, summer, and I think I'll put fun on the next line. I'm going to start the sky, kind of like a hook, go all the way down to the grass, cross it in the middle. U is under the airplane line and is down with a half a rainbow. You can practice your name or any fun words you want as well when we do some summer fun. All right, this page, there's two of them, is all about the alphabet. The first page is the uppercase alphabet, and the second page is the the first page is the beginning of the alphabet, and the second page is the end of the alphabet. They give you the upper and lower case examples in the answer key. That always helps. And what you have to do is first, you're going to make the letters according to the foundation rules. And we know that we have to start with a number 1. Can you see that? Let's see if that's better. Okay. Start with the number 1. At the dot, go straight down, and then you have to go up here again to the number 2 and straight down, cross it in the middle. They tell you exactly how to make those letters. Pay close attention. Start at the number 1, go straight down. Now you have to go back up to the top. There's the 2 and around. Oh, and there's a 3 and around. Some are easy, like the C and the D. Some are harder, like the E, down to the top and over, middle and over, down. So follow those directions that they give you for both the beginning of the alphabet, A through M, and the end of the alphabet, N through Z. And then there's a line underneath. That's for you to write the lowercase letter. So if you don't remember what it looks like, just go up to the answer key, look uppercase, underneath it lowercase, straight down with the belly. Uppercase, underneath it, lowercase. That's a lot of writing to do. That's why this book isn't as long, because I know we're getting excited about things happening. Take your time. Come back to me when you're done. Put me on pause. 1, 2, 3, look and see. Does your page look like me? Let's see. Kathy did all of her letters, upper and lower case. I remembered that some of the letters go down to the worms. Which ones? The G and the J and the P and the Q, they're right next to each other, and the Y. Not many of them, only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 go down to the worm, but I was very careful. Some of them go all the way to the sky, the B, the D, the F, the H, the K, the L, the T, and all the others are under that airplane line. So even though there wasn't an airplane line there, you have to remember to make those letters higher than the ones that go under the airplane. I hope you did your best work. That was a tough page. Now we're ready to go on to an easier page. Fun with fish. Fun with fish, it says. Let's read those directions. Fun with fish. Let's see if I can make it up a little bit taller here. Oh, that wasn't taller. There we go. Am I finally figuring this out? The last week, right? Here, is that better? Okay, there we go. Fun with fish. Count the fish in each row. Circle. All right, so those are our direction words. We're counting and circling. Circle the correct number. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ring around the 5, ring around the 5. There's 5 fish, so we circle the number 5. All right, you count the other fish, getting all ready for going to the ocean and the beach to check out those fish, and then come right back to me as soon as you're done. Ready? Go. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, look and see. Now, these weren't grouped in any particular order. So what Kathy did was I counted by 2s. We've been talking about counting by 2s. That's every other number. When you're counting by 2s, you're counting every other number. So I started on 2, 4, 6. That gave me 6 fish. 2, 4, 6, 8. That gave me 8 fish. 2, 4, 6, 8, and one more gave me 9 fish. Counting by twos, that's what we do. All right, let's go on to our sandy fun. Heading to the beach, sandy fun. Let's see what it says to do. These are fun to use in the sand. Sounds like a riddle. Color to find the hidden picture. All right, so G, 1 dot, was for green. 1 dot was for green. Wherever you see 1 dot, and 2 dots was Y for yellow. This takes a lot of time and good coloring. Use those coloring muscles. On your mark, get set, go. Then look and see. Look at me. Do you agree with what you see? So I colored this green and everything else would be yellow, yellow, lucky fellow. The whole rest would be yellow. All right, you color nicely in those lines. You'll get a nice pail and shovel for the beach. Next up is a sequence page. Oh, I love sequences. Here's some sequence towels. Towels you're going to bring to the camp with you or the pool. And you're to put what comes next. Ah, there's that number line down there. Look and finds the number line. You will always have things to help you in kindergarten too. Might be on the wall, might be at the table, but it will help you. Look at those towels. Write the missing numbers. Missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. You do it yourself, fill them in, and come right back when you're done. Ready? Go. All right, does your page look like mine? Looking fine. Here they started on 6, 7. What comes next? There's a 7, 8, 9. What comes after 9? 10. What comes before 5? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, then 4, 5, 6, and 7. Well done. And the last page for Tuesday is more upper lowercase. Looks a little different this time. Oh, and they don't have a letter line. Uh-oh. You might have to go back a couple pages to the page we did that had the letter line. Here's the page that had the letter line. You might have to go back to this one to help you out. Always use your resources that are available to you to help you out. This page has all the letters on it. So they give you the uppercase. You don't have to make it this time. And then you have to remember what the lowercase looks like the lowercase a. Uppercase B, the lowercase b doesn't look like it at all. You have to think of what it looks like. The C, oh, they're the same. The D, very different. The E, very different as well. So if you need some help, go back to the other page and come back when you're done. 1, 2, 3. Look and see. That's what it should look like. And when I didn't know, I went back to the letter line to help me. Because some of the lowercase letters are exactly the same. Matchy, 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 matchy. They're exactly the same. Others are a little different. This only has 1 half circle. This has 1 half a rainbow. A little different. The P is under the airplane down to the worm. But others are very different, like the A and the E and the G. Those are very, very different, the Q. So pay attention to those, the R. And make sure you go to your letter line. Good job on Tuesday.